Stat News reporting this evening that Gilead's Remdesivir trial is seeing what they call rapid recoveries. Joining us now, the man who broke that story, Adam Feuerstein. He is the senior writer for Stat News. Adam, it's good to have you on. Thank you for being here. Tell us what your reporting found.
Hey, Scott. Thanks for having me on the show. Yeah, so what we're reporting tonight is that it's basically an early snapshot of a phase 3 clinical trial of the drug Remdesivir, as you said, that's being developed by Gilead scientists. And what we were able to obtain is a report from a hospital in Chicago, which has treated about 125 people with this drug in the clinical trial. And what they're saying and what they're showing from those data is a rapid recovery and some really very potentially interesting and encouraging results from the clinical trial. You know, the caveat here being, Scott, is that this is a snapshot of a much larger clinical trial. It's being run all over the world. Patients are being enrolled and treated in the United States and in Europe and in Asia. And so what we have here is just a snapshot, a glimpse of the study. And what we really need to see, obviously, is the overall study results, which are coming soon. When do you think we will get those, Adam? So these data for this trial, and this trial enrolled, specifically this trial that we wrote about today, enrolled patients with severe COVID-19. That study is supposed to have results read out by the end of the month. A second study that Gilead is running is in moderate COVID-19 patients, and that study should have results next month. The important thing about this study that you're reporting on is these rapid recoveries. Most of the patients who were treated, I understand from your reporting, were already discharged from the hospital. Is that right? Right. So one of the things, and what really got us noticing this and thought that it's something that was important to report, is that the patients in the study, what they were seeing, their observations that they were seeing in Chicago with the patients they were treating there, was a rapid recovery. The patients were coming in and they were getting well relatively fast, and they were being discharged. Most of the patients were being discharged from the hospital within a week. Now, this study is looking at two different dosing durations of Remdesivir. They're being treated either for 5 days or for 10 days. And what they noted at Chicago Hospital was that most patients that they're treated don't even need 10 days worth of treatment, that they're seeing patients are feeling better very, very quickly. And I did interview a patient who participated in the study. He lives in Chicago. He was short of breath, all the classic symptoms of COVID-19 that you have heard about. He had to go to the hospital. And what he told me, and this is just, again, a single patient's experience, but what he told me is that essentially he started feeling better like a day after getting Remdesivir. And he was in the hospital for 4 days. He got 4 days worth of treatment with Remdesivir, and he was discharged. Amazing reporting tonight. It is moving the market. The future's in early trading. Adam Feuerstein, thank you for your time. Adam's with Stat News, of course, the senior writer there.